is a beautiful thing. It can never be seen, but you can feel it within. Yeah, it's a natural thing. The boys so sweet, sweet love. It's all time, no time. When you wanna get you some more, when you wanna make you some more, when you wanna get you some more, when you wanna make you some more. Oh, it's where you fight for. You drown while you top on. You stress when you talk on. My nigga, where you love on. When it's my time, no it's time. 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 Actually, mentally, I can take you where I've been and none deserve, no deserve. I can show you where I've been, but finally, they can imagine I deserve and I deserve the matter changing finally. Now actually, mentally, I can take you where I've been and none deserve, no deserve. I can show you where I've been, but finally, they can imagine I deserve and I deserve.
I listen.
Why are you always calling me Allison?
Because I prefer to call you by that name.
I said my name is Anderson, not Allison.
Allison. Germany na me one. Yeah, bro, for different. So what you say? Anderson na mom can you come Allison. Let me tell you. They say that offend you back to back and
It's by his grace.
It's by his grace and the man too.
Who is your friend? Why now I down for my mom is a high five for today?
I mean, know that. Why are you pretending?
In fact, why are you here? Why did you call me?
Anyway, the man. She sent me to come and bring you the gifts. So the pragia is the motor is down there. So let's go down and let me give it to you. It's heavy.
That was the reason why you called me.
Oh yeah.
Go and tell him I'm not interested. I don't like it. Why? I mean,
like how?
I don't like the gifts.
Allison.
Don't call me Allison. Call me Nanama. Don't piss me. Don't piss me.
My pay whatever.
I didn't go.
What's the matter? Okay.
Who is school now? One kwana say brofu na unim kana today.
Calm down. So what's but what I will tell you is a mission is accomplished. Thank you, boss.
Go and tell you I'm not interested.
Thank you.
Who are you thanking? Concert.
Nanama.
What are you doing here?
Nanama.
What are you doing here?
Untina menam.
Oh, Baba, they won't be today.
Nanama, Miss Rao, dear Sinya, what?
I don't want to even see your face.
Nanama.
Just go.
Please, Nanama, forgive me. Please, Nanama. Share, I mean, can you cringe? What's this? No, no. Nanama, one, I'm a pal.
Are you listening to yourself?
I'm listening, but Nanama, listening to me.
What's wrong with you?
Only you, I love you.
Oh God. How can you love two sisters at the same time? I don't even know what to say. Just go. Go. Don't touch. Don't you dare.
Nanama.
Don't touch me. I don't want to see your face.
Nanama. Listen. Team Nanama.
You told me you don't have a girlfriend. Then suddenly my sister.
Yes, I told you, but let me explain it. Let me explain it to you.
Okay.
Nanama.
No, I don't want to.
Listen to me. Listen, Nanama. Only you, I love you.
Stop saying you love me.
I don't love your sister.
Stop saying you love me.
I can't stop
saying that shit.
Nanama. Yo.
Stop saying you love me.
I can't stop.
Let me tell you something. I really appreciate whatever you did for me. Changing my style of dressing, I really appreciate that, but I'm no more interested.
Nanama.
Just get it. I'm no more interested. Leave me alone.
Nanama, how don't you listen to me? Why don't you listen to me, Nanama? Only you I love. I don't love your sister. What's your sister? No, what?
Hold on.
Nice one. I knew it.
Go back.
I knew it. That is why I never trusted you. Oh, you think I was going to accept that your apology?
I'm just telling him I'm no more interested.
You are telling who? Please! Don't even tell me that.
Can you see what's
don't tell me
going on?
that.
Can you see what's going on?
Nanama, listen, Nanama.
I don't want to be part of this.
Relax, Nanama, relax.
I hate drama in my life.
Nanama, relax.
You hate what drama?
Hey, stop rubbish.
Stop
rubbish.
Stop
I tell you today, I tell you for every day, I don't love you again.
You will love me. After sleeping with me. After sleeping with me.
I said stop dating me. Shut the fuck up.
We are dating, whether you like it or not. I'm going to marry you.
You married me?
Yes.
You married me?
Wait, I don't even believe
Let
me this person right now here. Do you get it? I blame her, not you.
You see what's going on? I hate this.
Nanama.
Look at the way people are looking at us.
Only you I love you.
Stop saying that shit.
I love your sister.
I'm being calm.
You will love me after sleeping with me. Look at
I'm being so calm with you. I said stop saying that shit. How can you love two people at the same time? The fuck is wrong with you?
Nanama, please.
Stop saying that shit.
Nanama, listen to me.
Are you really doing this?
What it? Wouldn't it be dog?
ATADWE. Dina. Say, many am me be yakasa adwa kasa. Ana say kura no. Ene am mankasa. Won say adwa on nim bra no. Ana nim plan bra me yankasa kura me nim bra no. Enim fie wa bra dete. Enti na kama adwa anka na nkasa na de asumwe be ba. Na mantwe ne ho. Na adwa no nya ne privacy say de asumwe be fie ha. Enya stand to ko so ntwa da wo. Enua for no tabe bom ntem da. Enti amenyem
mebel Dina dem person bisa ne se abrante no nko ane ebe mu wi ase ana
enyo no ko be ma
na je adwa no so ntwene ho
da bi sa wo hwema adwa ona ne brema natena
aha
a wone nada ama no ne nai
aha
ana no so first come first curve
no de me ni problem o de me kan se ese no nyame ne ya adumo se nkofa ba bi foforo na egbesan be pie fi ha ye hu se bi ma na fa ba foforo se ye na chi no fa ba foforo nso anka obe da hu
ane so de onim
nti an na chese be ma na ekohwi ni nti eso no su ja be ma no
se ma me
ma te wo de na si
o wan tete tadi ntokwa be so ba mbu fa ba
ma te wo de na so ni ama na be
ada you like it o be tete na ntase
na de mini be ma na ne nkura na twempena na
openya ATADWE
no was
na do ebi ko state
ya de wunsu nyansa
enti state ebi wo bi si
ara de na zi
me se kwa abonto ko hwe e na agia tese na ni pe twom ho asia
agia me no de na zi ase na agia tese de na na de
enye mo mama ne mienu no me se me kwa asanto ko pani mu ni biadi na me se me kwa mo fo bokanku no mu jo na
wo ya pasia pa amani a wo botintinte de na ekoso
enye na me ka be sisu yi me se o manem e mane mienu no omo ntokwa de atwede omo bono abonte wono de ma ho amane adwa oh my mi nanim ayen say original house nanim ayen say eno o sem fifi na ntokwa
be ma de ti obi no moku
he me dia
e o side he
e wa enfa o me kwa santo akodi junction so e fa junction so me say atwede he adimi say be bro ni boko me be bro ni
Hey, stop touching me. Don't ever touch all this. I'm not your boyfriend, okay? Me see what sister done am a pen. Anya mom in champion. Me see what me go my worry.
I don't hate you.
You can hate me. I don't care again. I don't care. I've been trying to explain myself day in day out to you. But they make it be our own gene. I don't care anymore. I said I don't like him. I'm no more interested.
So what were you doing with him?
He came to meet me here.
How come you guys just met?
And can't I move around?
Can't you move around? You're even talking back to her.
Saying shit.
What is wrong about you two people?
Listen to her.
What is wrong with you? Are you mad?
Nanama.
Aso. I don't know where sir. I don't know person so je go me fie sir.
Aso, ni akwa na ma adwen sem pese me ba fie.
Pacho, me twa wo. Woni be ma no.
Me pacho.
Nti na akwa ba yo se wani ma ese yi.
Why say me man say?
Na wonya fa mo ene nkura we nti ade a wo ye ntibra ye ma.
You don't understand the issue.
Enya you don't understand. You two don't understand me. Why are you doing that?
Let me explain to you.
Ne papa.
Timo Jafra na pese ye na ye ma.
Eja enya me mre fie. Me pese me ba fie. Na me no class. Me pese me ba fie ma. Na me no class. Na me chira se me mu nyina.
Fie ni di obeba. Ye hia o fie.
Meba.
Ye hia o fie.
Meba me sra.
Why should you do that?
I'm not doing that.
Do you want to pregnant two sisters?
No.
Then why?
Only Nanama is my girlfriend.
I'm not interested.
Hey, Aso, don't ever. I know you. I know you before this girl know you.
I'm not interested in
Better
you
you go. You are not interested. You know you are my class. That is why I don't want to talk too much.
He's your crush.
Yeah, that's why I don't want to talk.
Shut up too.
Yeah, man, I'm ready. Now you see,
go inside the room. Coffee. You, two of you, go.
Is he your man?
I said two of you,
go. You got to meet me here, so you.
Nanama,
I'm talking to you. You are standing there.
Nanama, move and go to the house.
Go. I said,
hey, you two move.
Are you mad?
Hey, sorry, you referee said on the bar. That's why I didn't know why I said.
Mr. Mama, I'm referee. We need to.
No, if you're in the
what is you for me?
So listen, we need to sit down and talk.
But you choose my precious.
That's what I'm saying. We need to sit down
in court.
So I'll come home.
We are waiting for you.
Sit.
Since when?
Why?
When?
Tomorrow morning I will come.
We wait for you in the house.
Okay.
We wait for you. Let's go.
Don't agree.
A conference.
And sign. Is that why you do this affair?
A conference.
The way you do this affair.
Yeah, let's go.
Let me explain to him. The way you are doing this affair.
I said I will come home to sit down.
But sir, you can't crush them for
She said she will
I'm
come
not crush them.
Let's go. She said
I'm not crush them.
Why?
It is okay.
Why behave like that?
Why me?
Why me so?
Why? You are
To be
talking
friends.
two sisters.
Let's go.
You are vagabond mind. You come and meet me in the
Let's
house.
go.
You come and meet me.
Either you leave them.
Let's go.
Either you leave them alone.
I can't leave them.
Let's go.
I will choose one.
Either you leave them alone.
I will choose
No,
Mama.
I will agree with you.
I will choose
I will
Mama.
never agree with you. You choose my son.
It is okay.
You choose my son.
It
You
is
choose Madwa.
It is okay. He said you choose one. So his choice is not your
It's
choice.
over.
Let
It's
us go.
No secret. Are you two people?
Bema ni monyamfo. Ye pese ye hu sese dia ye kɔ. E fa wo ne nkora ne ho. Eno anti na busu aye frɛ.
E dey na see ye wo me nyom timbe okohia wo me ni.
Eno ne de so ne ne bekyire mu nya wo no.
Ɛna me busa no.
Asem. Ni nyina sɛ adwoa. Me ni adwoa na na tie. E no korɛ. Na eti no. Adwoa kasa nye omuade ene nye nsɛm ni nyina na metime abie ma no aye dai aka me ni adwoa nya misunderstanding akasa kakra adwoa fa ne bag ne ne nema the way adwoa si kasa kyerɛ me wakasa kyerɛ me ene how because me ka cho sa adwoa sabi wo ye obi dihye kyerɛ me fa me kɔ obusua hɔ na me kɔ hu obusuafo ntimi nkɔba sɛ me ne obi dihye te
Na woni na busu.
na me nim na busua na kyerɛ bi
Asemba.
why na me kɔ ka kyerɛ no ntimi sɛ no ma me hu na busua ni me ye etri ana ɔde ne maami ɛba me hɔ maami hu ne maami olumai woni adwoa te dem kwa sɛbe empa kɔ adwoa nto ensɛm no dɔso olumai ɛna ɔno afa ne bag ɔsɛ ma me mfrɛ ne biem ɔnsi me nkyɛn so biem ɛna ɔkɔɛ ɛkwan me fa so hyia nanama mekɔ asɔre mekɔ asɔre ne nam de kɔ hu nanama
Ɛwɔ asɔndani.
ɛwɔ asɔre dɛm hɔ nanama yɛ very good me ne nanama trans nam ka kyerɛ nanama sɛ mesrɛ no ɔma me hu na busua sɛ be kyerɛ bi asemba na busua ni bi ana opie na busuafo hwehwɛ na obu be sɛ ɔwɔ nipa so ama nanama accepte nanama yɛ oba bi a mebɛdɔ no one obu ade two yɛtete no onim how I say tete ni bi ne be ma esita ɛdum na me hu sɛ adwoa enua ne nanama senko de me ba fia akasa ne ma wi nyina anya dai ansi nanso nam sɛ wan fama ma fia na ɔde me siesie no ɛna ko fa sa ne ma wi nyina bae
ayo asew wakasa na wasa hia waka no so de nyame ani nokure nie eta sumu sansa ahyese na wudi kan hyi adwa na ɔdo ba fie ma be hu abusua hu sɛ ni nua ba ne ama nka we yamba
aka ma
yes sese so de asin de yɛ da asi awie se ntɔkwa yɛ kɔ so wɔ fie ano Asem remember ne nkure beka. Be didi bom, be no aduane bom, be ye bibia bom. Nso because of say issue abeto ho nti.
Asem me say na na ma ne nipa me wale ni.
Anya possible. It can't be possible. What mean about friend meda any nnuafo mienu meda. O ti ase e. Anya possible. What na person di jatu ebusuani mu ana. Ana person be so ja, hey, I respect you. I respect you a lot.
Wa o ka ho bi ni we nyina ba o.
Wo ya mebusuani ja tom.
Ne me so ni so aka ho bi ni we nyina ba.
Ana ka kire no.
Wa ba hye bone ne wa ba hye fo na ma we nyina ba. Ase wo. Sese ni de ye ntimi ma wundi moja fra wa busuani mu. Tese brebra mba amane mba de meka nyina ne senserew. Mensa da mensa yam. Twe ho firi nkura ne ho.
O mienu nyina.
Twe ho firi nkura na mienu nyina ho. Nya be nkwa ne be ye ma o wiase. Na sundua mbra busuani mu. Because embe na nwo so ma busuani da bia jambetom. Mesrew. Nsrew. Mensa da mensa yam ni diem. Sa twe ho firi nkura ne ho.
Anasa da say obefa ma adwoa. Because na ma no uhunu enche we so not na se ache.
Nipa no so mpa ni mo so.
Fine. Na wo widiri mu na be ma tenten say ma be ma say tie ni. Wo dey already akra ko na beto aso.
No, wa huni be ma da.
Be ma tenten for san hotie. Ezi ma be we dey akra na be say akra ni be ma niam mu.
Asewo ti se ne American mensa da mensa yam. Se ne be ya sundua be ba busuanim no.
So betima ye ho bibi de.
Ya ti be nya wo hwe. O mo ya nuafo enso obroko da so do kronkron.
Me so.
Ana job mi anu.
Adwo anu mi ntimi.
Ana job mi anu. Brebra mama ne ma job mi anu.
Anya oba ye timi ware.
Ana job mi anu. Job me on the class job me no. Me person me bupa. I respect you a lot. Me person no be na issue. Me so job me no. Omo ye nuafo. Omo ye nuafo me sraw.
Asewo anya ba wie. You see abontena ye fanboy. Se ne ametiti ska wo ho ska bo no ho ba bia ni wa wo pani wiase a. Bonya na mo nsa asundue ba busuanim no. Eni ntini me ka kyerɛ se twe ho firi nkura ne ho. Na asundue mbra busuanim. We de mensa da mensa yam. Kotodwe gu fam.
Aso wa kamati.
Me nhyiraw.
Nhyiraw.
My heart is broken. My heart is broken.
Krate. Sole.
Aso enyesu. Edene de nsrew. Edene.
Ubenya oba kokko no afa.
Oba papa te se ama. Ubenya bi ne wabre.
Ubenya oba kokko so no afa.
Aso hanke afragu.
Ami su.
Ah, okay.
Hey. Hello, what? Krate, the oil in the menu to whom? The old sacrament of joy. What a project wait of romantic sea. Well, oh, Match, come this near come to Tunuko. Let's see.
That time is over. I say, oh, you can move.
I say, conduct you home. Hey, I know. Mummy, hey, I'm a German man. What? German.
Get back!
Uncle Tassi.
Koto di ade.
Shaman Fakwada.
Wa ba she bone na ma me de she wo husunsun sanso de ko wie o. Aba she bone abede so wo fia wo husunsun sanso. Aduane kura woni noa. Ba de anka wada asole anopa, wale wo nkunu bed, wale wo mpana bed, wa ye breakfast kama wo wia wa hukuru nkukuo kama wasi niema ene ka se ba. Won wa ba so wa ma so.
Emetire ni akwara ni. Emetire ni akwara ni.
Betwine nim.
What? Enya akwara ni betwine ni. What? Enya na jamanfo a. Ana na be wa so won bo titare won wo bia. Won na ko chusu no.
O kire wante. O kire wante.
So na be chusu no. Na wo de opa fa back door. For back door not so fun. Na ko no ko pia.
Akwara ni nya na ho wai.
Ka betime nka.
Nya na ho.
Ma ne ko pia ka betime nka.
Adwa bra men fa de ma wo de.
Wa adwa be.
Nanama.
Hey, Nanama bla me tuma. Hey.
Nanama me se bra.
Nanama. Kwai do of na coach so do so that no ko de achi. Hey, come and sit here.
No catch any sir. Onja me.
One is on now.
This one committee me na call.
Debbie also they will see her gone. Or born any chance on no pill. So do. So do catch him. So born any chance. Some your penny in the account.
And then you women call her.
And then you call.
Love is a beautiful thing. It can never be seen, but you can feel it within. Yeah, yeah, it's a natural thing. Devoted to sweet, sweet love is forcing me to sing. Girl, I'm trying to sing. I'm fighting to win your heart. I'm dying. What is happening to me, baby? Girl, you mean a lot to me. I will take you overseas. So tell me how your knees. Girl, I'm trying to sing. I'm fighting to win your heart. I'm dying. What is happening to me, baby? Girl, you mean a lot to me. I will take you overseas. So tell me how your knees.
Love is easy when you feel it. You drowning when you dreaming.